The Earth's north is one of the most mysterious and inaccessible places on the planet. Russia, one of the 8 Arctic nations, is undertaking yet another polar expedition. And WION's principal correspondent Siddharth MP gets us this report from Russia's largest port city of Murmansk.
The world's largest city north of the Arctic Circle is shining bright in the sun. A perfect time to go for sailing. Enthusiastic students from over 20 nations have gathered for a voyage of their lifetime, waving their national flags, proud to be a part of this historic expedition.
Nearly 20% of Russia's territory is in the Arctic region. In fact, this extremely cold region with harsh climate is close to the heart of the Russian people, which is why Russia regularly undertakes expeditions to the very roof of the world, which is the North Pole. Right now, there's students gathered from at least 21 countries, and they'll be going on this Russian icebreaker, sailing all the way to the roof of the world known as the North Pole.
Russia's bright orange vessel, dubbed 50 Years of Victory, is one of the 8 Russian nuclear icebreaker vessels owned and operated by the country's nuclear agency, Rosatom. The vessel is specially designed to pierce through the thick Arctic ice in the North Polar regions. From Murmansk in Russia's northwest, this icebreaker ship will be ferrying about 70 students from 20 nations to the North Pole on a 2 weeks-long voyage.
Personally, I feel like I'm quite literally on the top of the world, and it's something no Pirates of the Caribbean movie can even capture. Secondly, in terms of science, in terms of geography, there's one thing that's, it's rooted in books, and then another thing that's rooted in experience. So if it provides exposure, if it provides experience, it'll not just motivate me, it'll give me, this very fire to pursue it more.
The journey to the northmost point of the Earth is a learning opportunity for the students and a host of researchers from across domains, from climate studies to geography, space and robotics.
Russian space agency Roscosmos is working with Russian nuclear agency Rosatom. We will be testing prototypes of various technologies, including robotic rovers that can operate on icy planets. We will also explore and study the possibility of human spaceflight over Earth's polar regions.
For a place characterized by constantly shifting sea ice, the voyagers are ready to uncover secrets of the Earth.
For most people, the North Pole is something that they'll end up seeing only on a map, in a textbook, or probably on their phones. But for these students here, the North Pole is going to be a reality that will show up in front of their eyes, because they're undertaking an expedition to the North Pole on a Russian nuclear icebreaker. They'll be going there to learn more about the geography, about the science, and obviously about the nuclear technology that's taking them there. With video journalist Ajit from Murmansk in Russia, Siddharth MP, WION World is One.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.